Have you ever suffered a shoulder injury? It could be from taking a tumble in a football match or a car accident. But, no matter how minor the injury is, it hurts pretty bad. Pain aside, the inflammation and swelling only make things way worse. That's why ice is such a popular method of treatment that's known and practiced across the globe. It's accessible and quickly helps with all the major symptoms of a shoulder injury like pain, redness, and swelling. You can even use ice to help with chronic arthritis pain. That said, ice can be a little tough to handle, and it's not easy to apply to large areas such as your shoulder joint. That's why you should consider getting wearable ice packs. In this video, we'll go over some of the most convenient shoulder ice packs of 2023 to get comfortable, soothing cryotherapy from the comfort of your home. Number 1. NEWGO Shoulder Ice Pack. The last thing you want in your shoulder ice pack is a leak. Imagine freezing droplets of water running down your body, eek. Thankfully, the NEWGO Shoulder Ice Pack won't let that happen. It has double sealed edges to prevent even the smallest of leaks. Despite being so secure, it's still pretty flexible even when frozen, which makes it easier to use. This shoulder wrap is adjustable and features high-quality hand stitching, which is a testament to its premium build. It has an adjustable Velcro strap, allowing users to alter the arm circumference within a range of 9 to 16 inches, and the chest circumference between a range of 29.5 to 45.3 inches. Number 2. Revix Shoulder Ice Pack. The Revix Shoulder Ice Pack offers the highest number of color choices out of all other options on this list, coming in blue, azure, navy, and purple. It's lightweight and barely noticeable, which means it won't get in the way of your day-to-day activities. Meanwhile, its two adjustable straps allow hands-free application, and the reversible design makes it usable for both right and left shoulders or rotator cuffs. With this shoulder ice pack's wide sealed edges and a resilient nylon build, there's no chance of the gel leaking through. In fact, the gel is advertised to be about 30% thicker than the competition, and goes down to about -13 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for shoulder sprains, post-surgery recovery, speeding up healing, strains, injuries, or joint pain after performing strenuous activities. Number 3. COMFYTEMP Shoulder Ice Pack. The COMFYTEMP Shoulder Ice Pack, as the name suggests, is the most comfortable wearable ice pack on this list. It has gentle, skin-friendly sides with a soft plush design, delivering soothing and balanced coldness without the risk of frostbite. If you need more coldness, simply flip the pack over to its nylon side for intensive care. Just be careful not to apply that side for too long without breaks. For your convenience, you can get this wearable shoulder ice pack in 2 sizes, so be sure to carefully check the size guide to make sure to get your order right as per your physique. Both sides, however, are adjustable, so the average person should be fine either way. Number 4. Magic Gel Shoulder Ice Pack. Magic Gel is a well-known brand when it comes to gel packs, and it's proud to be recommended by physicians. We love the tagline "We've got your back, and anything else that hurts," but only because their products stay true to that. This particular shoulder ice pack can be used hot or cold and provides tons of compression to help relieve pain with targeted therapy. It's designed primarily for strains, sprains, and post-surgery use, but soothes regular pains and aches as well. You can manually hold this wearable ice pack up against any part of your body that hurts, but you can only wear it on your shoulder as it contours perfectly around your arms, shoulders, body, and neck. While you won't experience any sweating or itching with direct contact, the brand still recommends having a piece of cloth layered between your skin and the pack for safety. Number 5. Thrive Shoulder Ice Pack. The Thrive Shoulder Ice Pack provides hot and cold therapy, maintaining its temperature for a long time to treat your injuries. You can throw the gel pack into the freezer or the microwave as needed depending on your preferred type of therapy. Also, you'll get an extendable crossbody strap, allowing you to position your shoulder ice pack perfectly over the affected area. This shoulder ice pack is made out of neoprene material that's highly durable and flexible. It's also super soft, making it comfortable enough for all day on and off usage, which is often necessary to treat severe cases of inflammation for larger areas. It even comes with a convenient drawstring storage bag where you can safely keep your gel pack between uses. Overall, its convenience, versatility, and overall effectiveness make it the top choice on this list.